Earlier this morning, hundreds of truck drivers gathered in front of Washington, D.C., in front of Mr. President Trump's door, and gave him a wake-up call at 8 o'clock in the morning. And they did a very safe protest, but truck drivers are unhappy right now, and people need us more than ever, and rates are low. We're not making any money out here, and we're struggling. And so they got together this morning, and there was a live feed about it. So I just want to show you the video. Tell me what your thoughts are, and tell me if you think this is in the right direction to help make a change.
We are in Washington, D.C., right outside of President Trump's bedroom. At 8 o'clock in the morning, he will hear our SOS call for help. He will hear our Mayday call. Good morning. It's not me. It's us. We are all here, all lined up, ready to give the president the biggest distress call he's ever heard. Us truck drivers in America, right here, we need help, and we need it now. Here we go. Trucking in America. Here is the White House. Most emotional thing I've ever done in my life. The American truck driver needs help, and we need it now. This is our distress call to our Commander-in-Chief to address the problem that we are facing. He has called us heroes. His heroes need his help now. Share this, please, and let them know. We are calling for the President of the United States. Police, I'm sorry, oh my God. They know we're here. They're right there. They're being professional. They know we need help. We are asking the president to hear our plea for help.
We are the music makers, and we are are the dreamers of dreams.